Loeffler boiler is a water tube subcritical boiler. Okay, water tube subcritical boiler, and it is used when water is salty. Water contains high TDS, total dissolved solid content is high, which can damage the water tubes. The inner surfaces water tube can be damaged, as well as it can reduce the heat transfer rate. Now, what is the principle of working? That when salty water evaporates, salt is not carried with the vapor. Okay, in case water contains salts or other solids, and we are heating it so that vapor can come out, then vapor will not contain those salt, vapor will be pure water. Okay, second principle is that in case 2 kg of superheated steam at a particular temperature and pressure is mixed with liquid water, it can create 3 kg of saturated steam. 2 kg of superheated steam when mixed with water can create 3 kg of saturated steam. These numbers are just for example. If it is 4 kg, it will become 6 kg. If it is 6 kg, it will become 9 kg. Okay, now this is the diagram of Loeffler boiler. This is the evaporating drum which contains water, you can see, and over the top surface of water there is saturated steam. Now this is the steam circulating pump. Okay, so what is the job? It is taking the steam. Suppose the amount is 3 kg. Okay, so 3 kg steam is taken and sent to the radiant heater. Okay, this is the furnace. Inside this boiler shell, this is the furnace. So in the radiant heater, it absorbs some heat by radiations. Okay, 3 kg of saturated steam ultimately moving toward this convective superheater. So over there, by the flue gases, it is becoming superheated steam. So you can see that 3 kg of superheated steam is coming out. Okay, out of that 2 kg, by the help of this steam check valve, 2 kg is again sent back to mix with this liquid water, so that 3 kg of saturated steam can be developed. This principle. Okay, and 1 kg is left, that is out for use by the help of this steam check valve. Okay, so in totality 1 kg of steam is coming out of the system. So to compensate that, this boiler has to be fed with 1 kg of liquid water. So you can see that there is another tube, okay, which contains this economizer. So water is going in by the help of this feed check valve through the economizer, gaining some heat of the flue gases and ultimately falling inside the evaporating drum. Okay, the flue gases still contains heat, so there is an air preheater. Okay, so what is the job? That air which is required for combustion in the furnace, which it is preheated so that combustion efficiency can be improved. Now what is the advantage? Through the tube, you can see through the heating tubes only steam is passing, and steam doesn't contain salt, so salt always remains in the evaporating drum itself. Okay, so by this way the tubes are not damaged due to salt, as well as enhanced heat transfer rate. Thank you.